Hi and welcome back to the Mirror Beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia and I'm doing all kinds of colorful makeup, hair reviews, tutorials and a lot of fun stuff in the YouTube shorts. And today I want to show you how to do a bold eyeliner using just eye pencils. And the eye pencils that I will be using are the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner sticks. I will list all the colors in the description box, but just so that you know right away, here I have Fierce Purple, Turquoise Storm, Intense Teal, Emerald Cut and Cosmic Yellow. Let's rewind back to me wearing no makeup and start doing this look. So I want my eyeliner to match this girl right here. Let's start. And the very important part of this is to keep your eyeliners really sharp to get that pointed tip. If you have trouble sharpening the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner sticks, that is totally understandable because they're kind of confusing, and I have a whole video on that which I'm putting right here on top and also in the description box. I'm starting with Fierce Purple and the eyeliner tail. And kind of diffuse that purple edge a bit. The next color is Turquoise. And that's how you blend it into the purple with the side of your pencil, not with the tip but with the side. Also diffuse this border. Now I'm going for the green. And once again, blend it into the turquoise with the side of the pencil. Finally moving on to yellow. And you already know how to blend. I'll do the rest of my makeup and get back with the waterline. I'm back with my mascara and other stuff, and we are going to use teal on the waterline. The NYX Epic Wear eyeliner sticks work really nicely on the waterline, especially the matte ones. The waterline color actually really matches my background. Here is the final look. If you're curious about the lips, I have a tutorial on an ombre lippy almost exactly like this one, and I will leave a link here right on top and also in the description box. I think I did a pretty decent job in matching this girl with my bold ombre eyeliner, but what I'm really curious about is which colors would you choose for your ombre eyeliner? Please let me know in the comments. I'm always so curious to hear about different combos, which sometimes are super unexpected for me, and that makes it more interesting. And before you go, there's one last surprise I have for you, the secret ingredient to why my eyeliner always turns out well. Hold on. And here we go. That's because I have an assistant. He always looks to it that my eyeliner turns out perfectly, that I do everything with calm, and that we have some snacks in between. Yeah? Is it snack time? It probably is. Okay guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye! Oh, and don't forget to check out this other colorful beauty stuff.